हेलो फ्रेंड्स मु निरंजन आपण मानक स्वागत करछि आपनकर प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ नीरव को। आज आम पद्म अवार्ड्स 2021 विषय रे किछि कथा जानिबा। पद्म अवार्ड्स कौन? व्हाट इज पद्म अवार्ड्स? द पद्म अवार्ड्स आर वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर्स ऑफ इंडिया अनाउंस्ड एनुअली ऑन द इवे ऑफ रिपब्लिक डे। ये हूँ पद्म अवार्ड हूँ वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर्स। सबुठारु बड़ ऑनरटा हूँ भारत रत्न, सेटा हूँ हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर। आउे रही पद्म अवार्ड्स। द अवार्ड्स आर गिवेन इन 3 कैटेगरीज: पद्म विभूषण, पद्म भूषण एंड पद्मश्री। तीनटा उपाय तीनटा दिया पद्म विभूषण, पद्म भूषण, पद्मश्री। द अवार्ड सीक्स टू recognize achievements in all fields of activities or disciplines where an element of public service is involved, जो public service involved थी। The Padma Awards are conferred on the recommendation made by the Padma Awards Committee, which is constituted by the Prime Minister every year. The nomination process is open to the public. Even self-nomination can be made. हला यार हिस्टोरी कौन? History and relevance. The Government of India instituted 2 civilian awards, Bharat Ratna and Padma Vibhushan, in 1954. The latter had 3 classes, namely Pehla Varg, Dusra Varg and Tisra Varg. These were subsequently renamed as Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. By presidential notification issued on January 8, 1955. 1955 मसीह 3 भाग विभक्त है पद्म पुरस्कार, पद्म विभूषण, पद्म भूषण आउ पद्मश्री रूप में। नवेम्बर जानुआरी 8 तारिख। भारत रत्न कौन? भारत रत्न इज द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड ऑफ द कंट्री. इट इज अवार्डेड इन रिकॉग्नाइजेशन ऑफ एक्सेप्शनल service or performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavor. It is treated on a different footing from Padma Award. The recommendations for Bharat Ratna are made by the Prime Minister to the President of India. No formal recommendations for Bharat Ratna are necessary. The number of Bharat Ratna award is restricted to a maximum of 3 in a particular year. गोटे वर्ष 3टारू अधिक मिल पारिबो नाही. Government has conferred Bharat Ratna award on 45 persons till date. Padma Awards. Padma Awards which were instituted in the year of 1954 is announced every year on the occasion of Republic Day, except for a brief interruption during the years 1978 and 1979 and 1993 to 1997. The award is given 3 categories, namely Padma Vibhushan for exceptional and distinguished service, Padma Bhushan for distinguished service of a high order, and Padma Shri for distinguished service. All persons without distinction of race, occupations, position or sex are eligible for these awards. However, government servants, including those working with PSUs, except doctors and scientists, are not eligible for these awards. The awards seeks to recognize the words of distinction and is given for distinguished and exceptional achievements or service in all fields of activities, disciplines. An illustrative list of the fields is as under. आर्ट रू पाइपर आर्ट रे कौन थाए? आर्ट इंक्लूड्स म्यूजिक, पेंटिंग, स्कल्पचर, फोटोग्राफी, सिनेमा, थिएटर इटीसी. सोशल वर्क रे includes social service, charitable service, contribution in a community project, etc. Public affairs includes law, public life, politics, etc. साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग इनक्लूड्स स्पेस इंजीनियरिंग न्यूक्लियर साइंस इंफॉर्मेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन साइंस एंड इट्स एलाइड सब्जेक्ट इट्स ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्रीज includes banking, economic activities, management, promotion of tourism, business, etc. Medicine includes medical research, distinction or specialization in Ayurveda, homeopathy, Siddha, allopathy, naturopathy, etc. Literature and education includes journalism, teaching, book, composing, literature, poetry, promotion of education, promotion of literacy, education reforms, etc. Civil service includes distinction or excellence in administration, etc. by government servants. Sports includes popular sports, athletic adventure, mountaineering, promotion of sports, yoga, etc. Others fields not covered above and may include propagation of Indian culture, protection of human rights, wildlife protection or conservation. The award is normally not conferred posthumously Maranotoro. However, in highly deserving cases, the government could consider giving an award posthumously. A higher category of Padma Award can be conferred on a person only where a period of at least 5 years has elapsed since conferment of the earlier Padma Award. However, in highly deserving cases, a relaxation can be made by the awards committee. The awards are presented by the President of India usually in the month of March, April every year, where the awardees are presented a sonad or certificate signed by the President and a medallion. The recipients are also given a small replica of the medallion which they can wear during any ceremonial or state function etc. if the awardees so desire. The names of the awardees are published in the Gazette of India on the day of the presentation ceremony. The total number of awards to be given in a year, excluding posthumous award and to NRI foreigners OCIS, should not be more than 120. The award does not amount to a title and cannot be used as a suffix or prefix to the awardee's name. Who decides? All nominations received for Padma Awards are placed before the Padma Awards committee, which is constituted by the Prime Minister every year. The Padma Awards committee is headed by the Cabinet Secretary and includes Home Secretary, Secretary to the President and 4 to 6 eminent persons as members. The Padma Awards committee is headed by the Cabinet Secretary and includes Home Secretary, Secretary to the President and 4 to 6 eminent persons as members. The recommendations of the committee are submitted to the Prime Minister and the President of India for approval. पद्म विभूषण चित्र देखिपारे पद्म भूषण भी चित्र देखिपारे पद्मश्री चित्र ए भारत रत्न चित्र आम ओडिशार पद्म विभूषण पाइले सुदर्शन साहू आर्ट रे पाइले स्कल्पचर पाइ आर्ट रो जो स्कल्पचर से तारी पाइले ये होचंदी नंद साहू पद्म विभूषण पाइले सुदर्शन साहू आ पद्मश्री 5 जन पाइछंती शांति देवी पद्मभूषण रे ओडिसा के पाइ नांती ओडिसा रु 6 जन पद्म अवार्ड पाइछंती ता भितर सुदर्शन होचंती पद्मभूषण पद्मश्री रो शांति देवी सोशल वर्क पाइ आर्ट पाइ पूर्णमासी जानी पद्मश्री पाइछंती आ रजत कुमार कर से पाइछंती लिटरेचर एंड एजुकेशन पाई नंद पृष्टि जो नंद सारे जाजपुर घर सी पाइछंती लिटरेचर आउ एजुकेशन पाई आउ कृष्णा मोहन पथी मेडिसिन पाई पाइछंती 2021 मसीह रे केते जण पद्म अवार्ड पाइछंती 2021 ମସିହାର ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାସ 26 ତାରିଖ ଯେଉଁ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠିତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତା ପଦ୍ମ ଆୱାର୍ଡ଼ ସେରିମୋନିଟା ସେଟା କୋଭିଡ୍-19 ପାଇଁ ପୋଷ୍ଟପୋନ୍ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଏବେ କିଛି ଦିନ ହେଲା ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ନଭେମ୍ବର 8 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରାହେଲା। ପଦ୍ମ ଆୱାର୍ଡସ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ତାପରେ these are conferred by the President of India at ceremonial functions which are held at Rashtrapati Bhavan usually around March or April every year. This year the President has approved conferment of 119 Padma Awards 119 Padma Award এই বর্ষ হয়েছে including one due case. In a due case the award is counted as one due case जो डबल है ना गुटे बोली गणा जीव as per list below. The list compromises 7 पद्म विभूषण এই বর্ষ পাইଛନ୍ତି পদ্ম বিভূষণ 7টি 10 পদ্মভূষণ 10টি পদ্মভূষণ and 102 পদ্মশ্রী awards 102 জন পদ্মশ্রী পাইଛନ୍ତି। 29 awardees are women ହେଉଛନ୍ତି 29 ଜଣ। ଏଟା ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ମନେ ରଖିବେ women ହେଉଛି 29 ଜଣ and the list also includes 10 persons from the category of foreigners or NRI or PIO or OCI ଆଉ 16 posthumous awardees and 1 transgender awardee transgender 1 ଆଉ posthumous ମରଣୋତ୍ତର 16 ଜଣ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି। ପଦ୍ମ ବିଭୂଷଣ ଯେଉଁ 7 ଜଣ ପାଇଲେ ତା ଭିତରୁ ଜାପାନର ଶ୍ରୀ ସିଞ୍ଜୋ ଆବେ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ପାଇଁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି। ଶ୍ରୀ SP ବାଲାସୁବ୍ରମଣ୍ୟମ୍ ଆର୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ତାମିଲନାଡୁରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟହ୍ୟୁମସ୍ ଇଏ ମରଣୋତ୍ତର ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ତାମିଲନାଡୁ। ଡକ୍ଟର ବେଲେ ମନାପେ ହେଜଡେ ମେଡିସିନ ପାଇଁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଘରଟା ହେଉଛି କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ। ଶ୍ରୀ ନରିନ୍ଦର ସିଂ କପାନୀ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଆଉ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂରୁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ୟୁଏସ୍ଏରୁ ପୋଷ୍ଟହ୍ୟୁମସ୍ ଇଏ ବି ମରଣୋତ୍ତର। ମୌଲାନା ୱହିଉଦ୍ଦିନ ଖାନ ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲିଜିମ୍ ପାଇଁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ। ଶ୍ରୀ ବିବି ଲାଲ ଆର୍ଚିଓଲୋଜିରେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ। ଶ୍ରୀ ସୁଦର୍ଶନ ସାହୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରୁ ଆମର ଆର୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରୁ। 6 ଜଣ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମରୁ କହିଦେଇଥିଲି ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ 6 ଜଣ। ଆଉ ପଦ୍ମଭୂଷଣ 10 ଜଣ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି। କ୍ରିଷ୍ଣା ନାୟର ଶାନ୍ତ କୁମାରୀ ଚିତ୍ରା ଆର୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି କେରଳ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର। ଶ୍ରୀ ତରୁଣ ଗୋଗୋଇ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସରୁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆସାମ। ଶ୍ରୀ ତରୁଣ ଗୋଗୋଇ ଜଣେ ଯେଉଁ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ବୋଧେ ଥିଲେ କି କ'ଣ। ଶ୍ରୀ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଶେଖର କମ୍ବାରା ଲିଟରେଚର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକରୁ। ମିସେସ୍ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ମହାଜନ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର। ଏଇ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ମହାଜନ ଆମର ପୂର୍ବତନ ଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ବାଚସ୍ପତି ଥିଲେ। ଶ୍ରୀ ନୃପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମିଶ୍ରା ସିଭିଲ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶରୁ। ଶ୍ରୀ ରାମ ବିଳାସ ପାଶୱାନ ଇଏ ବି ପୋଷ୍ଟହ୍ୟୁମସ୍ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ଆଫେୟାର୍ ପାଇଁ। ଆଉ ପଢ଼ିଦେବେ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି 102 ଜଣ। ୟା PDFଟା ମୁଁ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇଦେବି ଦେଖିଦେବେ।